So here we are at room 404 of Casa Blu. The way you get into your room, for our particular room, because we're facing the pool and there's only one entry, it's through the patio area. So we've got the patio doors. So you unlock here and you lift up and then you open up and we go in. So as you come into the room, you need to close the patio door. Now to lock this room, it doesn't automatically lock, so you will need to lock it, but also just bear in mind that your key tag, it's got a magnetic bit on it and it has to go in the slot to make the air conditioning and the electrics work. Not just the lights, but the electrics. So if you feel like you're going to be going out and you want to charge your phone up or charge something up, it won't work without that in the slot. So as you come in, on your right hand side, you've got a seating area and a little table just down here as well. And above the table, you've got your LG TV. And to the left, as you come in, on this particular room, you've got your bed. Some of these rooms are opposite way around, just bear that in mind. There's plenty of socket space either side of the bed, but you will need your European adapter. And there's a bedside table, but no storage as such underneath. It's all open underneath. You only get one pillow each. So we like to sleep with two pillows, so we did ask for extra and we got some brought down. So as you come further into the room, you'll see you've got two hanging lights as bedside lights, which are controlled by the sockets at the side there. If you're a slightly taller male, just bear in mind that you will keep hitting your head on that, but you'll get used to it. Come through the room and you've got a sofa to be able to sit on. I do believe that actually turns into a third bed as well if you're using this room as a three-person room. We've got a vanity desk here, or you can do some work. Big round mirror, massive great round mirror. There's tea and coffee making facilities. There is a Nespresso type machine. Those aren't included. The regular teas and coffees are included. The Nespresso pods that you see there, they charge you $1.50. You've also got a kettle in the room here, so if you do want a cup of coffee in the morning before the breakfast opens, you do have the sachets that are available for free. As part of the seating area here, you've got a fridge underneath, and it's more than adequate for storing a number of drinks. Storage in here, this is the one thing that is probably not the best in my opinion. We've got one great big wardrobe with 10 hangers in and a storage shelf at the top and a storage bit at the bottom for your shoes. You'll notice that there are no drawers. There aren't any drawers in this room whatsoever. Within the wardrobe, you've got your safe. The safe is free, and you also get a hairdryer in the wardrobe as well. Just next to the wardrobe, which would be ideal for a chest of drawers in all honesty, you've got luggage rack, storage, space for two cases, one on the bottom, one on the top. Then just off that walkway, we come into the sink area. There's only one sink, small amount of space, but it's more than adequate for two of you. You do get soap dispenser included. There's a nice big mirror and it's nice and bright. And opposite there, you've got the door into the shower. The shower is absolutely massive. It's more than enough space. There are a couple of hangers on the opposite side of the shower head, so you can put your towel on while you're showering. But when you come into the shower, again, you've got a soap dispenser. Normally I don't like to use that sort of stuff, but I always give it a smell, and this one is great. It smells like holiday, that coconutty smell type stuff that they've got. There's two parts to the shower. You've got the rainfall shower above, and you've also got a very powerful shower at the bottom. You can switch between the two, so for you ladies needing to do your hair, that's the one for your hair. There's storage space as well for your own toiletries. And the WC is, yeah, very modern, just standard. It's separate. It's got a frosted glass door for your privacy. The other thing that you get in here obviously is the air conditioning. You get an air conditioning control. That won't work unless you put the key in and the key stays in. It'll work for a few minutes after you've taken the key out, and the lights will stay on for a few minutes after you've taken the key out. But if you don't leave that key in, or you're going out for the day, everything turns off. You've got two curtains here. One is a blackout curtain and it's very effective. And the other one is a privacy curtain. So during the day, you actually can't see into the room with this privacy curtain open. However, in the evening, just bear in mind that with your lights on here, no lights on out there, that is see-through. So if you're needing a bit more privacy, you'll need to pull the blackout curtain over. So gang, that's your room tour of room 404. This is the basic room that you can get, but it is absolutely beautiful, very well decorated and more than enough for what you need for your stay here. We're moving out of room 404 and now we are moving into room 604. So you come past the pool, down the stairs into these new executive junior suite villas and with a swim up private pool. I'm going to go in and I'm going to show you around now. So let's go in. So here we are in room 604. Again, first thing you need to do is pop your key tag in to get the lights working. So that worked perfectly. As you come in on the left hand side, we actually have two wardrobes. One has got a load of hangers and an iron and an ironing board, along with gold coloured slippers. And there's also a drawer in the bottom with a hairdryer in. But that's not all. You get wardrobe number 2 with another load of hangers. You've got your safe, same thing as before. It's all free and included, and yet another drawer space underneath there. Moving further along this unit, you've got your tea and coffee making facilities. Unlike the deluxe room, the suite here, your coffee pods are included and you can help yourself to those. And again, we've got more storage here, more drawer space. And underneath, we've got our fridge for use for ourselves. You've got a long storage area, which has beach towels included. You don't have to pay the €2 when you're in one of these rooms. They come included. A big TV, some nice decoration to decor the room out. Coming further along, we come down the steps into the seating area and there's a dressing room area for you to be able to get ready in the evening. On the opposite side of that, there's a seating area with more than enough space for sitting 6 people easily. There's lights everywhere, and as we come back into the room is your king size bed, and it's all one unit and it's got this built-in section that it goes on with built-in side tables. Plenty of power sockets. This one doesn't only have the European 2-pin sockets, but it has USB and USB-C as well. You've got your phone there, remote control for your TV. Looking at this remote control, it looks like you can get Netflix, Disney Plus and Amazon Prime, which is another great feature. Not that we're going to be doing much TV watching. We come to the other side, and again, 2 power outlets, your USB and your USB-C. Both sides have the reading lamps as well, which are movable. And we've got not only the air conditioning unit, which is just up here, we've also got a giant wooden fan just up above as well. So then coming back towards the door on this side of the room is your open plan bathroom. So the first thing you're going to see, you've got a sink here, loads of space either side, giant mirror for you to get ready in the morning. Again, sockets, the private WC And then you'll come into the giant rainfall shower. This looks stunning. There's loads of room in here. Again, on offer here, some of their really nice Cretian body wash and shampoo. And you've also got space to put your own stuff here. A couple of hooks for putting your towels on. It opens up to the living room as well as the outside. It's frosted halfway up, so you've got some sort of privacy. But in all honesty, nobody is going to be looking at you. Now we go to the best bit of the room. So we've seen the inside and it is absolutely stunning. It's beautiful. As we go down the steps here, we're going to go out into the balcony and the pool area. So when you come out here, you can see just what a treat this is. So the first thing we're going to look at is we've got an outdoor bench, 3 or 4 people comfortably on there, a table for your drinks, and on the opposite side, you've got a very fancy wicker type chair here with another table for putting your drinks on, rack for putting your towels out. There are 2 sunbeds. Sun starts off around here, so we lose the sun later on in the day, but you'll get it for the early part of the day here. And then finally, steps into your own private infinity pool when you're in it. About 1.4 meters deep, and it's long enough for you to have a decent swim with views out to Hersonissos. How beautiful is that? That looks super inviting. So that is our junior private room with private pool, junior suite. So